Hello, I will present about online courses offerings improving skill in the digital age. Good evening. I will introduce you to a flexible and high quality learning opportunity through online courses. Online courses or online learning are a series of introductional experiences using digital networks to interact, learn, and discuss. Online courses do not require face-to-face meeting at a physical location. Benefit of online courses. Number one, flexibility, learn anytime and anywhere. Number two, global access, instructor and material from around the world. Number three, cost effective, save time and transportation cost. Special offer. Number one, promotion, special discounts or exclusive offers for new participants. Number two, bonus extra like a free ebook or access to exclusive webinars. So I hope this our presentation can be useful. Thank you.